And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notifications software like Tabula ads or other like that things from your POCO X3 GT. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit inside just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can remove that by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. We have to open settings, then go to the apps and tap on the manage apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just click on it, click uninstall and tap OK. Now in the second step, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Choose the storage and tap on the clear data. Tap on the manage space and choose the clear all data button. Now OK, and after that process your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. In this application, tap on the green circle and allow permissions. Activate the switcher, go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the viruses, unwanted software should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.